Well, how's everyone? Look, it's me, Manpup Buck, and today we're doing croquettes. Croquettes are little potato balls. Look, I pre-done all these little potato balls. Look, now I'm rolling them in flour and then in egg yolk. Look. How's everyone's day going up here today? For Halloween. This is the egg. Now we're going to take the egg and we're going to dip it in crumbs. See, crumbs, crumbs. Make sure the egg is completely covered the croquette. Drop them in the crumbs and we're good to go. Highs. We're making croquettes today. Highs. Whoa. Croquettes. Flour to eggs, eggs to crumbs. Look. What's everyone dressing up for Halloween tomorrow night? Playing with my croquette balls. And this is the finished product. Woof. Croquettes, mashed potato balls. Woof. Really, really good, especially if you put cheese in the middle. With egg, woof, and crumbs, woof. Wow, woof. How do they let what? How do they let you what? Why wouldn't they let me? Look, I'm not doing anything wrong. Look. My boss actually thinks it's funny. Rough. I do all the pictures for my work. Rough. In the workplace, then your point being rough. Got my picture taken with my boss and his wife. Rough. No complaints so far. Rough. Well, I don't know where you are, but it's all good here where I am. Rough. I'm making croquettes. Croquettes are mashed potato balls, woof, rolled with flour, egg yolk, and crumbs. Woof. Take these mashed potato balls, woof. Drop them in flour. Completely cover them in flour. Dip them in liquid egg. Cover them in completely liquid egg. Woof. And then, woof. And then put them in crumbs. Woof. Yeah, my boss is perfectly okay with this. Woof. Mind you, I don't work the front of the store, I'm only in the kitchen. Ugh. My boss's wife has to follow me on TikTok, bro. Oh, fuck, doing that wrong. Whoops. Does your boss have his own mask? No, rough. No, my boss does not. Rough highs, woof. Oh, hurts. What if I got one for him as a present? I don't know, he probably would laugh at it. His wife would maybe like it. Ugh. There's a video here in my TikTok somewhere of me eating a muffin. And I'm literally eating a muffin and things are woofing around. Woof. Well, my boss's wife came to work and she was like, "Oh, Buck, I seen you like muffins." Woof, woof. Yeah. Check out the video, you know what I'm talking about. Woof. Thank you for the hearts. Woof, we appreciate it. Woof. Actually, I went to the bar like this on Saturday night with the girls from work. Woof. The dough are good. Woof. So this is what's for dinner tonight, croquettes. Now you take those and deep fry them for about 4 minutes. Woof. So they're golden brown. But if you put cheese in the middle, ooh, that is absolutely delicious. Woof. You know us Canadians, we like cheese and gravy and everything. Woof. Right. And the puppy had a big old boo-boo at work today. Rough. Yeah, I snipped my finger. Rough. I was shopping with and the hot pest control guy that came in to do his inspection. Woof, and while he was here doing his inspection, I was inspecting something I shouldn't have been inspecting, and woof, there goes the tip of the thumb. Woof. Yeah. Fun times. Skin people are. I think so. We think go for dinner tonight. Okay, my friends, this puppy said enough. I gotta finish up my croquettes. Get ready for dinner. Hope you all have a great day out there. Don't forget to check out Manpup Buck over on YouTube, or you could just say, "Hey Google, Manpup Buck." And I'll catch us all later. And Manpup will be live for a special Halloween show. Check us out over on YouTube. Manpup Buck. See you soon. Bye.